These are some of the top 20 copyright-free sound effects that will make your videos more engaging. I will tell you in the video how you can download them for free. Let's start it. If you want to download these sounds for free, the Google Drive link is given in the video description box and in the pinned comment. You can download it directly from here. If the sound effects are useful to you, you can like the video. I'll meet you in another video. Until then, be well, bye bye.